Hey ladies and gentlemen, Simon here. Hope you're doing awesome. We thought maybe we'll do this short video just to show you what we'll be doing in our daily trainings. Maybe you missed that and you've been asking for replay. So we'll talk about WhatsApp marketing. There are 4 things we want to achieve. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you the software in a moment that's good to achieve this. But you realize that actually WhatsApp market is bigger than you expect. But I'm going to be showing that in a moment. So let's look at this. We want to achieve like 4 things. Number 1, we want to find a way that we can automate this process, because automation is the way to go. That you can be able to do multiple tasks within a short time without you having to be there. So we want to achieve number 1, automation. Number 2, you want to get to reach more people, okay, in their inbox without having to depend on the algorithm. Okay, so when we talk about the algorithm, simply we're saying that when you post something on Instagram or on Facebook, you're depending on the algorithm to show what you posted. Okay, and basically unless you pay, people don't see what you're offering, and therefore we are finding a way that we can add value to people in their inbox without having to use the algorithm or without having to pay. The number 3, we're saying that we're looking for a way that we can add value to people, because it's about value at the end of the day. It's not about like telling them buy my things, about finding a way to add value to them. And when you add value to them, that helps them to think about us. When they go to sleep at night, they're thinking about us. That's how you change business. Okay, so how do we achieve those things? So in a moment, I'm going to now I'm going to be getting to my computer, and I'm going to show you an application that's going to automate how you do marketing. Okay, so you will note up whether you're a small business or you're a big business. You've got a list anywhere, you're a school, you're an hotel, dental clinic, grocery store, and you've got this list of customers. The thing is that you want to be in touch with your clients. Why? Because if we say out of sight, out of mind. Okay, so or out of, yeah, I think that's correct. So let's jump right in. I'm going to show you the demo of the software. I'll show you the features, and hopefully this excites you so that you can see the value in this. And I don't know what this could mean to your business. Okay, or probably a business that needs this. You can actually offer this to businesses. Also at the same time, you can do this for your own business. So the options are not limited. So let's jump right in and let's see what this can do for your business. So great. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through what I like calling WhatsApp Beast. Okay, because I call it WhatsApp Beast because this application will be able to automate all your WhatsApp outreach, inreach, and get customers talking and thinking about you. Okay, and this is an updated version, guys. We just updated this like 2 days ago. So here you go. What I'm going to show you, once you log into this application, of course, the first step you need to do is make sure that you're logged in. So I'll click on like open WhatsApp, and you can see right there, you need to make sure that you're logged in, so it will open a pop-up. So once that pop-up opens up, all you need to do is go ahead, scan your WhatsApp, and you'll be logged in. Anytime you try sending messages and the messages don't go, just know that it's because you're not logged in. Okay, the next thing you need to do is that here we regulate how the messages go. All right, so here you make sure that yes, the slow speed to make sure that you don't get banned. Then here is delays, so that WhatsApp feels that it's a real person who is sending the messages. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing I'm going to show you is that WhatsApp filter. So this will enable you, okay, just click on this. So this will basically enable you. I think there's a window that is running on that, so I'm going to cancel this one first. Where is that? Okay, so clear. Okay, and I'll close that. Okay, so and you see this, like WhatsApp filter basically will enable you to verify numbers that are on WhatsApp and numbers that are not on WhatsApp. Okay, why is that important? Because you make sure that you're not sending messages to people who are not interested. All right, so if I click on import contacts, I'll get a place where I can feed in my country code. So wherever you are in the world, this works across the globe. So whether you're in Uganda or you are wherever you are, then you can just paste the contacts here, go to a spreadsheet, you go to one here. Of course, you need to make sure that the numbers appear properly. If the numbers don't appear properly, it won't work well. Like if the numbers are like this, just know that it won't work. Okay, so just important to make sure that your numbers are looking good before you start sending message, like before you paste them. So once you're done with that, just go ahead here and paste the contacts. All right, right. See that I can come here Of course, I want to make sure that my numbers look good, but let's see if I can get, yes. So here's a number actually. Okay, so I can copy that. Of course, the thing is that if your numbers look good, like if they appear the way they're supposed to be appearing, all you need to do is paste all of them here. So I'm going to have the country code here. I think this is in Kenyan form. Then I will say, okay, import. And the next thing I want to start filtering. Okay. So basically what happens is that if I had like 1,000 numbers, what happens is that they have requested WhatsApp to see if this number is actually active on WhatsApp, and WhatsApp will be able to respond once it has verified. Okay. So here is business active on WhatsApp or it's not active on WhatsApp. So I'll be able to know that. So anytime I'm going to be sending messages, I am sure. And I think this is one of the coolest features of this application. Okay. So that said, let me come back here. All right. So after I have verified, the only thing I need to do is I'll come back here and say copy to sender. So if the number has been verified, I'm still waiting for that. I'll click copy to sender and all the numbers will come here. All right. So you can see the numbers that I'm going to be messaging are right here. So the next thing I need to type my message here. Good afternoon, what. Okay. And of course you can add the board thing. You can add emojis. You can add, you can strike numbers. You can add italics. So everything that is possible on WhatsApp, you can be able to do with this application. Then next thing is that there are certain things that we added just recently. For example, you can be able to create buttons. So for example, let me just click on that. So of course you need to activate this, add buttons. So create a button. So or add a new button. So basically this is a quick reply. This makes sure that when you have a WhatsApp bot that is set up, it will be able to activate that conversation. So this reply is that we just click a reply. So yes, I am in. Okay. And I can set that as a keyword such that when someone clicks on this, that will be able to trigger another conversation. Okay. I can add another button here, and this one I'll call it a phone number. So call us now. Okay. And I'll do the phone number. And the moment they click on that, the number will just pop up. So it makes it very easy. Okay. I can add another button here for URL. Now, in this case, I want to send my customers to our website. So visit our website. Okay. So I'll do the URL here, www.google.com. Okay. So the moment they click on that link, they'll be directed to, of course, there's need for HTTPS. Okay. So let me just do that. I need to copy HTTPS around here like that. Okay. So copy, come back here. Where are we? Right there. That's okay. So let me make sure that I've got HTTPS around here. Right. So there you go. And I just say okay. So the moment they click on that, they'll be directed to that website. Okay. Of course, you can save, you can delete buttons, you can load button from files. So you can do that. So basically, these buttons help customers to interact with what you have. So it makes it much easier. Okay. So the other feature that will probably get you excited is the ability to tag your customers. Okay. So if you look at this, basically right here, you can be able to have variables. So good afternoon. If I've got the person's name, okay, this is going to be very interesting. So if I've got the person's name, you can click on insert variable. Then you can do their full name, their first name, their last name. I can start a variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. I can be able to do a random tag. So just to explain like how this works is that this is for personalization purposes. Okay, variable has got like features like I can have variable 1 as their profession. I can have variable 2 as their position. So you can actually address people according to the position that they are in. Okay, so this is just a cool thing to personalize your messaging. Okay, another thing that you can do is attach media. Okay, here you can see that with this one you can attach photos, you can attach audio messages, you can send videos, you can send PDFs, you can do documents, you can clear attachments. So this application will help you to personalized message, and then when it comes to sharing different types of medias, it becomes much easier because you can attach multiple media. So think of that list that you have somewhere in your office. You have it somewhere at the entrance, and you've got like all these contacts. You have this list at the reception, or maybe in a hotel, and you've not done anything to keep in touch with those people. So think how you can verify those numbers using this single application, and just send a warm Happy New Year or warm Christmas message to all those contacts, and probably out of the 10,000, assuming only 1,000 get to know what you're offering, that could mean a lot of business for you. Then the last part is that, maybe not the last part, but now with this one you can be able to attach photos, you can attach audio message, like you can speak a message and just send to your customers, you can attach videos, PDF, documents, or you can be able to clear attachments. Okay, so once you're done, all you need to do is that, assuming that you've got your numbers already fed here, all you need to do is just click send, and like the message will go to all those customers. So it doesn't matter whether you've got 100 customers, 500 or 1,000. Of course, it's recommended with WhatsApp, send only like 1,000 within 24 hours to make sure that you don't get banned. Okay, so let me just show you something about sending. So you look at that. So look here, so there's safe mode and there's blind mode. Safe mode, make sure that the message goes to people who you have saved contacts. Blind mode goes to people who you've not saved their contacts. Okay, so I'm going to pause and just close that because I was not ready to send. All right, so the thing is that basically this will be able to send all your messages. Now assuming that you've got numbers that you're sure on what they are not, what you do, you click on this and you can be able to add all the numbers here. Okay, if you want to connect people who you have on your WhatsApp, okay, say yes. Okay, people on WhatsApp, so you can just click on this import WhatsApp contacts, and just like that all the numbers will be imported right here. Okay, so I think this is one of the coolest applications ever, because guys, like, just to be honest, so just watch and see what happens. So in a few minutes, yes, right there. So all my numbers from WhatsApp have been imported here, like 11,666, 660. So these are what the groups that I'm in. Everyone that, and some of us have got these contacts that are actually dead. We've not done anything about them. So now you've got something to do with those numbers. Okay. So I really hope that this like excites you, gets you excited. Of course, you can delete the numbers. All right. So if you want to do group scrapping, of course, I think this is another cool feature. Okay, so you can see this. I want to clear this list. Of course, I can click on download of all the joined groups, and now I'm able to see the groups that I am a member of. Okay, and assuming that I want to get contacts from this group, so I'll click on that, and I'll click on that. For example, I want those groups. So the next thing after I do that, I'm going to get contacts from selected groups, and just like that, within a second, all the numbers have come here. So after that, I can say add to sender list. Okay, so say add to sender list. Yes, fetch contacts from group has been done. That's okay. Then add to sender list, and just like that, look at that. So say all the numbers that were on the other end have been imported here. So I've got 660 contacts. So I can now, of course, you need to make sure that you're very wise. You don't just contact people, because group scrapping is illegal. So once you get the contacts, find a wise way to add value to people. Otherwise, you get into a lot of problems. Again, if you send messages too fast, you're going to get into a lot of problems. Okay. So guys, this is one application about, like, just imagine like how long would it have taken me to copy all those contacts, but just within like a few minutes, I've been able to scrap all of them and I've imported all of them, and I cannot be able to send messages to all those contacts. So if you're interested in this application, you're interested in automating your WhatsApp, reach out to more customers, just know that I'm available. I'm happy to help you and to scale your business to the next level. So let's have a conversation. There's probably a button somewhere in this video. Let's talk and let's see how we can help you to scale your business to the next level. So I hope this fascinates you. I hope this gets you excited. I hope you see how this opportunity can be able to scale your business. So now, just about licenses, you can buy one license is a bit expensive. You can buy 3 licenses, is cheaper, and if you want to buy at least 5 licenses and above, is much cheaper. Okay, so let's get in touch. This is what we call the WhatsApp Beast, and every software has got a license. So I hope this really helps your business to
to move to the next level. And even if you run a small business, this can also work for you. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Let's talk. Just drop me a message, call me, send me a WhatsApp message. Let's talk and see how we can get this system working for you. Okay? Thank you so much, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Cheers.